Prashanth Sai, Tanvi Sri, Gautam Reddy, Ishwar Ram, Jayansh, Ashita, Vedansh Reddy. Before we start our program, I requested to parents, please show your talents. If anyone wanted to interested to perform, please.
Shika, I am from Greek Grammar School, Venus Campus, Section 2B2. I want to perform the Slokam of Ganesha. Okay. Gananayakaya Ganadhaitaya Ganadhyakshaya Dhimahi Gunashariraya Gunamanditaya Guneshwanaya Dhimahi Gunatitaya Gunadishaya Gunadishaya Dhimahi Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gaulitanaya Dhimahi Ganeshanaya Balachandraya Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gaulitanaya Dhimahi Gajeshanaya Balachandraya Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi Ganachitunaya Ganapranavaya Ganantaratramani Ganasukaya Ganamatyaya Gano Gunagunave.
What's your name? Wow, thank you Rishika, what a great performance. Give her a big clap. Okay, anyone?
I'm gonna sing a song that everybody knows, most of the people. So, you know you love me, I know you care. Wish I would never, and I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. We'll be an island, good with playing. We're just friends, what are you saying? Say there's another so bright in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 alright, baby, 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 no, right, baby, 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 oh, I thought you'd always be mine. Yeah.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Manayarada, Guru Sakshat, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Satmai Guruve Namaha.
Very good.
Vakatunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprava Nittigaram Kudandevam Samakarisam Sarvada.
Wow, very good performance.
Johnny Johnny S Papa eating sugar, no Papa telling us opening mouth, ah ah ah.
Wow, give her a big clap. Come on. Okay, what's your name?
Anu,
Anu. Which class are you studying?
playgroup,
Wow, thank you Anu. Thank you very much. School name?
Kirfood,
Kidhood, very good.
Shukram Vadam, Shantakaram, Bhujakashayanam, Padmananam, Shuresham, Vishwadaram, Gaganashausham, Nekavarnam, Sukangam, Lakshmikantam, Kamalanaluyam, Yogi Vutyanagamyam.
Very good. Give her a big clap. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Next. Who wants to say?
Yadevi Sarvabhuteshu Lakshmi Rupena Samistya Namastyahi Namastyahi Namastyahi
Performed by Sloka. Come on, say.
Dhamma Durichu Durideva Padatra Durisasa Padadhamma Chapachi Dureva.
Okay, thank you. Parents, please be seated in your respective seats. Chief guest is coming soon. Please. Please, children. Please, parents, anyone interested to perform? What's your name? Nishika.
అమ్మడి పోవాలమ్మడి కాలం చుట్టేసు ఉండాలమ్మడి కొంచెం అంతే ఉంటూ లోకం అమ్మడి కాలం అంటూ ఉంటూ లోకం అని ఓదరలుగా అని ముద్దు ముద్దు ముద్దొస్తారే ఓ కాళీ నీలోనితో ముద్దొస్తానే ఓ.
Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you, dear, for a wonderful song. Anyone? Anyone, parents? This is the chance to utilize your performances.
Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Gurave Namaha.
Wow, what a good little children. Nice performance. What's your name?
Ekansai,
Which class are you studying?
Nasai,
Which school?
Kitushku.
Thank you, Ekanshai. Our little children are not less than anyone. He proved it. Give her a good clap. Big clap. Thank you, parents. Thank you for encourage our students. Next, Jahnavi.
గురుదేవో మరకర గురుకాక పరబ్రహ్మ రత్నకి గురువే నమః. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Which song you have?
జై బాలయ్య.
She says loudly. Come on.
జై బాలయ్య.
Say.
జై బాలయ్య.
Sing a song.
Hmm?
Song, Radha.
రాజ్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, thank you. Yadevi. Ishwar for nursery, Yadevi Shloka. Come on.
గురు బ్రహ్మ గురు
Say loudly, say loudly.
గురు బ్రహ్మ గురు విష్ణు గురుదేవో మహేశ్వర గురు సాక్షాత్ పరబ్రహ్మ తస్మై శ్రీ గురవే నమః.
Thank you dear. Next. Thank you. Next, who are interested to perform? Yes, ma'am. Wow. What's your name?
ప్రీతం.
Which class are you studying?
సెకండ్ క్లాస్.
Which school?
కిడ్హుడ్.
Okay. Song or sloka? Okay.
యా దేవి సర్వభూతేషు లక్ష్మీరూపేణ సంస్థ్య నమస్త్యాయి నమస్త్యాయి నమో నమః.
Wow, well done Preetham. Give her a big clap. Okay. Shuklam Bhardaram Sloka. By? Which class are you studying? Playgroup.
దుర్దమ్మ తురేషు చుట్టం బరబరం ఇచ్చు చతురం చతుర్ బుద్ధం తక్షణం పదం ఛాయత్ చరం సుతం శాంతి.
Wow, big her a good clap. Thank you, little. Thank you, dear. Say January, February.
జనవరి ఫిబ్రవరి మార్చ్ ఏప్రిల్ జూన్ మే జూలై ఆగస్ట్ సెప్టెంబర్ నవంబర్ డిసెంబర్.
Wow. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Good job. Okay. What is your name? Huh? Okay. Sing a song.
కల్లి హే రోజీ లిప్స్
Chappy cheeks.
డింపుల్ చిన్ రోజీ లిప్స్ కల్లి హే వెరీ ఫ్లై ఐస్ ఆర్ బ్లూ లవ్లీ టు pet Easter to yes.
Wow. Very good. Well done, little children. Well done.
Tutam barabaram ichu chatiraram chatur buddham paksharam dharam jayat charam drutam chanti.
Wow. Give him a big clap. Thank you, dear. Next.
గమేను స్వామికి పగడాల లాలి 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 లాలి.
Thank you, Lasya.
My name is Lekyasri.
Lekyasri. Please give her a good clap. Today, to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Jayahari Garu, Professor and Dean, R&D Department of Mechanical Engineering in KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. I requested to our chief guest, today to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Jayahari Garu, Professor and Dean, R&D Department of Mechanical Engineering in KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. Very good evening, sir. Parents, please put your hands. Thank you for waiting so patiently. Our welcome dance is more just art unfolding on stage. It is a heartfelt expression of our joy and the respect. Please, parents, please be seated your places.
गिरिवरविन्द्यशिरोहिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि घर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दिविसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवस्यति योऽनुदिनं स शिवे मयि कमले कमलानिलये कमलानिलय स कथं न भवेत् तव पदमेव परं पदमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किं न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे मयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथानुमितासि रते यदुचितमत्र भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुतापमपाकुरुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
Thank you, Shreya, for your wonderful performance. Please clap her. Let's begin our program. But first, it is my pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Jayahari Garu, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. I requested Dr. Jayahari Garu to come on to the stage. Requested Dr. Jayahari Garu to come on to the stage. Parents, please put your hands together to welcome them. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And also, I requested to our principal madam, Ramadevi Garu, Ramchandra Garu and Ramadevi Garu, please occupy their respective seats. I would like to invite our principal Ramadevi Garu. Lamp whose light is supreme, knowledge which removes the darkness of ignorance, and by which all can be achieved. To make this a blessed evening, let us invite our chief guest to officially inaugurate the celebration by lighting the lamp. Any interested one or parent, please come on to the dais and participate in the lighting of light. Any interested parent?
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Thank you, sir, madam. With our culturals, parents, who wants to speak a few words about our staff and academic year? Please, parents, anyone who are interested to, for a few words in our school. Please come on to the stage. I requested to parents, please come on to the stage and
Yeah. What's your name? G. Sneha. Yeah. A very good evening to one and all. Yeah. It's me, Sneha, mother of G. Kushlav Sai, studying in UKG. So, we all are gathered here to celebrate a kid's annual day celebration. It's a wonderful evening. So, myself, G. Sneha. And my son was studying from past 2 years. It's a wonderful school. and also improvement in his cultural activities, slokas, and also physical activities, anything. And even the school is in growing stage in all activities like celebrating celebrating festivals. Even parents are also invited to play batkamas, and also they went for excursion. So a big thankful to all the teachers and the staff members, and special thanks to my principal Rama Devi. So a big applause to all the team members of the kidhood. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to invite our beloved principal Rama ma'am and Ramchandra garu to felicitate our chief guest Dr. Jayahari garu with an shawl and give our honorable chief guest. Give her a big clap. Come on. Give her a big clap. Thank you, parents. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Invite our chief guest to speak some inspiring words.
Good evening, all the parents and the lovely kids. And I've seen the most of the women over here. Happy Women's Day. So we are celebrating the Women's Day, and I've seen the information from the principal that the women faculty are the teachers for the young toddlers who are joined over here from the past 2 years after COVID, and it's really wonderful to see as a mother, as a the well-wisher for the kids to take care and their stepping stone to their mileage to life. So I'm really happy that the women empowerment is there in this our beautiful skill kidhood. So the journey from the school, what are the kids? See, as a kid, as a parent, we'll have so much to see from the parents, and also the kids will have wonderful stage over here. When you see from the first 3 years, generally the play school or the first class or UKG, LKG, then you see or PP1, PP2, first, second and third class. This is a stage where the life of the kid will be there, and you see that the parents particularly will have a good time with them. Okay, so if you see that, these are the important points when you see with my speech, and I really respect the principal Ramadevi madam and also her husband Reddy Garu. They invited me, and really thank for them. About my just as if you see my profile, see I work as a professor in GRIT as a Gokraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering Technology as a professor over there, and also the dean over there. Then after that I moved to KJ Reddy as a dean academics and the vice principal over there, and after that now I am working as a dean R&D over there and HOD of the mechanical engineering. So I done my masters in Sweden, in Europe. Then after that I have done my PhD from JN2, Jawaharlal Technological University, and now I'm working as a dean in engineering college. Okay, and really thank both the management people for inviting me. And about this speech, if you see over here, so I know all the parents over here are eagerly waiting for the commencement of culture program to see their toddlers doing performance on the stage. So I won't take much time to you. I just want to thank KIDO for its commendable efforts in the field of providing holistic development of the students. I want to appreciate the management and the staff and their dignities and providing the best education to the young minds in this school. Particularly after COVID, it's a difficult task. See that every management is particularly difficult for you once they started the school and these suddenly shutdowns, and it's very, very difficult to come back again and do performs. The parents who are sitting over here, we can see that how lovely they are, how interesting they are. The kids are performing at the same time. They are eagerly waiting to see their kids to grown up and settle in their life particularly in a good way. Okay, so today I want just to stress one fact. The education in the present time is combined effort of the schools, particularly for the students and the parents. Normally we see the parents of present generation have too much expectations from the kids, isn't it? So as a parent, I have a 12th year standards. She is preparing for the NEET. Always my mind is goes that when is our exams, when is going to settle down. Okay, so that the life will be more precious in that. At the same time, I have one more kid. He's in 7th standards. Always will see that what are the things he's doing in the class, how he's performing. Is as a parent will always goes into that so that they will settle in the life and have a better kid for the society and a better human for the society. So this kind of mind will be there. Only the thing we need to see that how much time we are spending with the kids. Okay. See, I am busy with my schedule. Morning 7 o'clock to evening 7 o'clock I will be busy. Okay. My wife, she used to work in MNC. Now she is with the kids and particularly dedicating their life to see that they grow nicely in their life. Okay. Means whatever the time we are spending, those time is very precious. See, in this current generation, the kids are very fast. Such a way that they Google it. Okay, even the chat GPTs came into picture that they just type it and they get the value whatever they want. I know that the kids who are very small over here, but the next generation, the kids will be more strong in their mind. At the same time, they have very good in their thinking aspects. Okay, so I'm very much happy to see that many students who are there over here, and also I'm just seeing the students are murmuring over there. Their performance is just awaited, and I'm very happy to see those students who perform. I'll definitely enjoy this moment. And at the same time, we should see able to inculcate some values in the kids. Particularly, this is the right time for you to see that those kind of values has to be there into the society. Okay, why? Because when the young minds, if they are not particularly discipline is not there in there, at the same time, how much time they are spending with the screen. Why? Because this is the time is screen age. Either TV or when you see the laptop or if you see the system or the mobile, most of the time the kids are, even the mothers and the parents are giving their laptop or the mobiles to them so that to make them calm. This thing is happening in every house because of the screen age we are in. Previously we used to have to play in many places where we can have this wonderful time. Okay, isn't it? So we don't have that much of Maidanas or playground to see that, but it's the right time for you to see that how best we can spend your time with your kids. Okay, so I know that it's very difficult part, but still we need to maintain that time and also make sure that your time should be there with the kids. Then only you will be welcome you to the next generation. Okay, and at the same time, we think about the development of the child, if you see, and should not compare our children with other kids. Particularly this generation, these kids are not at all in a better way to see that when they compare with other kids. Previously generation, it was good that with the comparison, they have a zeal in there and they used to do better in their performance in the exams or in their life. Now, particularly they don't like kids when they compare with the other kids. So they have their own thinking. So most of the things means whenever the kids want to see, whether in the play or in the art and craft or whatever they choice they are chosen, better to see that they should have this kind of situation. Okay, so I'm very much glad to see that our kids should be perform well, and I'll see that as a parents, we should see that the kiddo school, what are the school here joined over here, make sure that they should have wonderful life in this. And at the same time, I thank to Ramadevi Garu and its management to see that the kids who are going well in this, okay, they should have a bright future. At the same time, be in touch with them once, and I also see that to the next level, to the 10th level, if you see that they can have a bright future in their life. Okay, so with this, I really thank to Ramadevi Garu and its management team for inviting me to this auspicious day, the cultural program, what you call the annual day. So I really see that this kind of annual days should be there for you. At the same time, we have a better future for this wonderful school. Thank you all the parents who have come over here and really appreciate your time over here. Thank you all. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words and for inspiring me and our students with your speech. Thank you very much. Please, please clap him a big clap. Thank you, parents. I would like to invite our dynamic lady, our beloved Rama ma'am, who is an inspiration to all of us, to speak a few words. Thank you, madam.
Good evening, parents. I am very happy to see you. Good evening, parents and honorable chief guest, Dr. Jay Hari Garu. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation. Thank you so much. Today, our kids are eagerly waiting to show their amazing performance, and our kids has been practicing last 3 to 4 weeks, ma'am. Today is the day when they will showcase their endeavors. So I will request all my parents to please cherish them with your applause. Dear parents, please ignore any flaws of if our kids do. Many of our kids occupying the stage for the first time, so it's a big day for them. Let's encourage them, encourage their relentless endeavors with our tantabulous claps. So let the claps keep going and keep our kids encouraging. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Principal Madam, for your wonderful words. Now, prize distribution. My humble request to Chief Guest Dr. Jay Hari Garu to encourage our students by handing them their prizes. Prize distribution for playgroup. Anu, winner by Jungle Team, Rhymes and Slokas. First prize goes to Anu. Regularity to school, certificate and medal. Please, parents, give her a big clap. Come on, parents. Please encourage our children. Second prize goes to Jahnavi. Second prize goes to Jahnavi. Frog jump competition. Jahnavi. First prize goes to frog jump competition and rhymes. Come on, parents. Please encourage our children. Wow. Second prize goes to Arush. Jungle, regularity to school, frog jump. Parents, please give him a big clap. Thank you, Arush, for cooperating. Sai Srivastav. First prize goes to Sai Srivastav. Jungle Team, good parenting, regularity to school. Sai Srivastav. Parents, please clap. Next, first prize goes to Sean Ridharv. Sean Ridharv. Next, second prize goes to Jashvika. Second prize goes to Jashvika. Colors identification, good behavior. Jashvika. Parents, please give her a big clap. Our parents are very energetic, no? Our Kudhood parents are very energetic parents. Please give her a big clap. Now nursery class. Next nursery. Frog jump. First prize goes to Lohan Reddy frog jump. Parents, please be clap. Second prize goes to Dharma Aditya, frog jump. Absent. R. Hitvik. First prize goes to R. Hitvik, rhymes competition. Rhymes competition. Hitvik. Okay. Second prize goes to Danvika, rhymes competition. Third prize goes to Devansh Nag, rhymes competition. Third prize goes to Devansh Nag, rhymes competition. Next, first prize goes to D. Ekant Sai for kites competition. Ekansh Sai, kites competition. Parents, please give him a big clap. Next, first prize goes to Tanvi Sri for jungle team competition. Absent. Next, second prize goes to Gautam Reddy for jungle team competition. Gautam Reddy for jungle team competition. Next, first prize goes to Ishwar Ram, student regularity. Now, first prize goes to Ishwar Ram for student regularity. Parents, please encourage our students. Give him a big clap. Next, second prize goes to Jayansh for student regularity. Jayansh for student regularity. Give him a big clap. Next, first prize goes to Ashita. Good behavior and good manner. Ashita. Please, parents, give her a big clap. Please, encouraging Ashita. Please encourage Ashita. Next, second prize goes to Vedansh Reddy. Good behavior and good manners. Vedansh Reddy. Good behavior and good manner. Parents, please clap him a big. Now, first and second classes. P. Preetham Reddy got first prize for running competition, good manner, good dress. Preetham Reddy. Parents, please encourage our children. Next, first prize goes to Nityasri for clay art competition. Nityasri. First prize goes to Nityasri for clay art competition, communication, good behavior. Please, parents, give her a big clap. Next, second prize goes to Lohita. Second prize goes to Lohita. Second prize goes to Lohita. Good behavior, regularity, discipline, clay art. Next, CH Sai Charan. CH Sai Charan. Second place goes to CH Sai Charan. Regularity, CH Sai Charan. For regularity, good behavior, jungle theme, tiger getup and bird parrot art and craft. Please, parents. Kaushik Sriram. Second prize goes to Kaushik Sriram. Kaushik Sriram. For jungle theme, lion getup and communication. Kaushik Sriram. Parents, please give him a big clap. Next, first class students. MV Gagan. MV Gagan. Clay art competition, good manner, discipline. Please, parents, encourage our kids. Give him a big clap. Next, second prize goes to Gamya. Second prize goes to Gamya. 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 Clay art, communication, spoken English, jungle theme, deer art and craft, and good manner. Please, parents. Please, parents, clap. Give her a big clap. Next, second prize goes to Shanvi Reddy. Shanvi Reddy. Regularity, good behavior, and running competition. Next, be ready to second class children. Second class. అయిపోయింది ఇది పేరెంట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ యూకేజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ M. Abhinav. M. Abhinav. Academics. Abhinav. For academics, clay art competition, kite competition, storytelling. Please, respected parents, give him a big clap. Next, Asta R. Chowda. For academics, handwriting competition. For academics, handwriting competition. Next, you, Shreyansh. Next, you, Shreyansh. Shreyansh. Handwriting competition and good behavior. Please, parents, encourage our children. Please. Next, P. Tej Sai. P. Tej Sai Shreyansh. Shreyansh. Next, P. Tej Sai Shreyansh. P. Tej Sai Shreyansh. For jungle team. Winner for jungle team. Please, parents, give him a big clap. Next prize goes to G. Hansika. రెడీగా ఉంటారు కదా మేడం, రెడీగా ఉంటారు కదా. G. Hansika. Madam, get ready to take the children. G. Hansika, jungle team. Please, parents, give her a big clap. Next prize goes to G. Jashwant Kumar. G. Jashwant Kumar. Storytelling. Winner for storytelling. Please, parents, give him a big clap. Next prize goes to G. Kushalvasai. Kushalavasai. G. Kushalavasai. Clay art competition. Please, parents, give him a big clap. Next, be ready to LKG children. Shaurya na? LKG students, Avin Shaurya. Avin Shaurya. Winner for academics, clay art competition, jungle team, rhymes competition, handwriting competition. Please parents, give him a big clap. Next, B. Parnika. B. Parnika. Winner goes to academics, handwriting competition, rhymes competition. Next, Mahesh Nandan. Next, Mahansh Nandan. Mahansh Nandan. Winner for project work. Please, parents, give him a big clap. Next, Naga Nikhilesh. Get ready to Naga Nikhilesh. Next, Naga Nikhilesh. Winner for project work. Please parents, give him a big clap. Next, get ready to Janvika. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get ready to Janvika. 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 Winner for leadership. Yeah. Winner for leadership qualities. Next, get ready to be Avia Caroline. Avia. Okay. Avia Caroline. Next prize goes to Avia Caroline. Winner for leadership. Avia Caroline for leadership. Next prize goes to LKG Lekya. Next prize goes to LKG Nekya. Lekya. వాళ్ళిద్దరి పేరు పిలవలేదంట. వాళ్ళిద్దరి పేరు పిలవలేదు. Clay art competition. Clay art competition. Next. Adya. Next, Adya. Winner for good behavior. Adya. Winner for good behavior. Next, get ready to Ananya. Ananya. Anviksha. Last kundi madam peru. Ananya. Krishtika. Next, Ananya. Absent. Krishika. Next, Krishika. Winner for good behavior. Krishika. Parents, please clap her. Krishika, winner for good behavior. Next, get ready to Anvik Nandan. Anvik Nandan. Anvik Nandan. winner for jungle team. Thank you, sir, for joining us on the stage for the prize distribution. Our students are very lucky to receive their memento from your hands. Anvik, Anvik Nandan, for good behavior. Anvik Nandan for good behavior. Please give them a big clap. Thank you, sir. Once again, my heartfelt thank you. Prize distribution for teachers. I would like to share a few words about our teachers who work really hard for improvement of our students. I really appreciate their patience towards the students and their commitment to their work. I would like to appreciate my teachers with a small memento. I request to our principal Ramadevi ma'am to encourage our teachers by handing them their prizes. Please welcome onto the dais. Principal madam, please welcome onto the dais. Archana, playgroup. Please parents, please encourage our teachers. Give her a big clap. J. Sirisha for nursery. J. Sirisha for nursery. Please parents, give her a big clap. Please encourage our nursery teacher. Thank you, madam. BH Lohita, UKG and LKG teacher. BH Lohita, please give her a big clap.
జాగ్రత్త తీసుకుందాం. టూత్ సెన్సిటివిటీ కొరకు ప్రత్యేకమైన టూత్ పేస్ట్
Next, V. Pranita, class 3, class first and second class. V. Pranita, please clap her. Please clap her. Thank you, Ramadevi ma'am. Moment you all have been waiting for has come. Let us now begin our celebration with cultural activities. I would like to request first and second class students. Let us begin our dance performance with our warriors. Please get ready to first and second class students.
अस्तित्व तुम्हारा कब तक ऐसे वारिस होगे, बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, हर हर महादेव, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, हर हर महादेव। पूछ रहा हूं अस्तित्व तुम्हारा कब तक ऐसे वार सहोगे, हो पूछ रहा हूं अस्तित्व तुम्हारा, कब तक ऐसे वार सहोगे, बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे।
अग्नि वृद्ध होती जाती है, यौवन निर्जर छूट रहा है, प्रत्याशा भरना इसी है, धनुष तुम्हारा टूट रहा है, तब तुम सच स्वीकार करोगे, बोलो बोलो
बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे। कंपन है वीणा के स्वर में, याचक सारे छंद हो रहे, रीढ़ गर्व खोती जाती है, निर्णय सारे मंद हो रहे।
कंपन है वीणा के स्वर में, याचक सारे छंद हो रहे, रीढ़ गर्व खोती जाती है, निर्णय सारे बंद हो रहे।
क्या अब हाहाकार करोगे, क्या अब हाहाकार करोगे, बोलो बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे, बोलो कब प्रतिकार करोगे।
The videos and the photographs everything will be sent to you by your WhatsApp. So I kindly request each and everyone to please cooperate with us so that the event goes fine. Thank you so much. The most awaited moments now, the UKG students are going to perform right now. So please give them a big round of applause so that they'll start the dance. I request all the parents to give them a big round of applause. Let's encourage all the kids now. Thank you.
प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतांस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराजाधिराज राजा शिव छत्रपति की जगदम्ब।
विश्व हिंदू परिषद बजरंग दल इचलकरंजी।
Please parents encourage the children. Please give them a big clap.
जय श्री राम। बजरंग बजरंग इस देश का बोल, देश का बोल, देश का बोल, देश का बोल। बजरंग दल, बजरंग दल, बजरंग, बजरंग, दल, दल। जय श्री राम। जय श्री राम। बजरंग, बजरंग, दल, दल। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय। बजरंग, बजरंग, दल, दल। जय श्री राम। बजरंग, बजरंग, दल, दल। जय श्री राम।
Next performance by
Class 2. Winners for discipline and active parents. I request G. Sweta Garu to please come on the dais to receive the memento. G. Sweta Garu, mother of Nitya, Class 2. Winners for discipline and active parents. Request all the parents to give her a big round of applause. She's winning for discipline and active parents. G. Sweta Garu, mother of Nitya, Class 2, winning for discipline and active parents. Followed by Mr. Murli Garu and Lakshmi Garu, father of Sai Charan, Class 2, winners for good behavior and communication. I request Murli Garu and Lakshmi Garu, father of Sai Charan, Class 2, to please come on the dais to receive the memento. Murli Garu, followed by parents. Please give them a big round of applause for winning good behavior and communication, parents. Thank you so much, sir. And followed by Mr. M.V. Uma Maheshwar Garu, father of Gagan of Class 1, winning for discipline and communication parents. So I request M.V. Uma Maheshwar Garu to please come on the dais to receive the memento. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. Followed by Rajini Garu, mother of Gamya of Class 1. Rajini Garu, mother of Gamya Class 1, for communication and active parent for Jungle Theme, Deer Art and Craft. The best parent award goes. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, madam. Next, I would like to invite Srinivas Garu, father of Srivatsava Play Group. Srinivas Garu, father of Srivatsava Play Group, the best parent award. So I request Srinivas Garu to please come on the dais to receive the best parent award of this event. Srinivas Garu, father of Srivatsav. I request Srinivas Garu, father of Srivatsav Play Group, for the best parent award. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to invite Narendra Kumar Garu, father of Ekansh Nursery, for good behavior. The award is for good behavior. I request Narendra Kumar Garu, father of Ekansh Nursery. I would like them to invite on the stage to receive the memento. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to invite Lohansh Reddy Garu, receiving award for communication and reference. Lohansh Reddy Garu for receiving award for communication and reference. Please give them a big round of applause. Parents, I would like to request you to please give them a big round of claps or applause. Thank you so much, sir. Give them a big claps. Next, I would like to invite V. Ajay Moses Garu, father of Avia LKG, winning award for best parent. V. Ajay Moses Garu, father of Avia of LKG, winning award for best parent. I'd like to invite Ajay Moses Garu to come on the dais. Avia. For Ajay Moses Garu, Avia's father, I would like to invite on them to the stage. KG, winning award for best parent. I'd like to invite Varaprasad Reddy Garu, father of Parnika of LKG, for receiving the best parent award today. Parents, I'd like to give them a big round of applause. Please give them a big claps, please. Next, I would like to invite, thank you so much. Next, I would like to invite Swati Garu, mother of Adya UKG, for winning the best parent and the communication award. I would like to invite Swati Garu, mother of Adya UKG, onto the dais to receive the memento. Parents, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, madam. The prize distribution for the next event, the winners for Father's Day. I'd like to invite the winners for the Father's Day event held at Kidhood School. I request Sai Charan Garu, father of Murli, for DJ Tillu song dance. Sai Charan Garu, Murli Mohan Garu, father of Sai Charan, for DJ Tillu song dance. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. I request Narendra Garu, father of Ekant Sai Nursery, for winning laughing competition. The laughing competition winner, Narendra Garu, father of Ekant Sai Nursery. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Next, I would like to invite V. Venkateshwarlu Garu, father of Dhanvika Nursery, for dance competition. I would like to invite V. Venkateshwarlu Garu, father of Dhanvika Nursery, for dance competition. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Next, followed by Pedda Ramana Reddy Garu. Next, I would like to invite Pedda Ramana Reddy Garu of Naga Niklesh, parent of Naga Niklesh LKG, for monkey action in Father's Day competition. I would like to request Pedda Ramana Reddy Garu to come on the dais to receive the memento. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Next, I would like to invite Sudhir Kumar Garu, father of Lekhya Sri LKG, for frog jump competition in Father's Day event held at Kidhood. I would like to request Sudhir Kumar Garu, parent of Lekhya Sri LKG, to please come on to the dais to receive the memento. Next, I would like to invite Dana Pavan Kumar Garu, parent of Kushalava Sai, UKG, for dance competition. I request Dana Pavan Kumar Garu to come on the dais. Parents, give them a big round of applause, please. Next, I would like to invite Abhinav Garu, father of Tarakeshwara UKG, for balloon game competition. I would like to invite Abhinav Garu, father of Tarakeshwara UKG, for balloon game competition. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much, madam and sir. And at last, I would like to invite Pranita, madam, for getting Good Parent Award. I would like to invite Pranita, madam, for Good Parent Award. Parents, give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. And this is the time to felicitate Shreya for classical dance, the first performance for today's function. Thank you so much, Shreya, with your wonderful performance today. You graced the event. Thank you. Thank you so much, and good luck for your future.
देखो देखो
क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई? बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं? हाँ हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। धारे गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे, खुद के सोचे आओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
रट रट के क्यों टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल।
I request all the parents to please stay till the last program and encourage all the kids. The little stars are performing today. So I request each and every parent to please cooperate and stay till
મને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात મને ભૂલો બધી વાત प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा जहां सोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जे तारी बात सोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जे तारी बात रे सोगाड़ा तारा चबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जे तारी बात रे।
Wow, thank you, children. Excellent performance. Thank you, children.
the rose flowers are being distributed among the great
rocking performance.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी। कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने, इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ झूम लूं या जानो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा। हो अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी। धूप में जलते हुए तन को छाया पेड़ की मिल गई, रूठे बच्चे की हंसी जैसे फुसलाने से फिर खिल गई। कुछ ऐसा ही अब महसूस दिल को हो रहा है, बरसों के पुराने जख्म पे मरहम लगा सा है। कुछ ऐसा है इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अपने सामने इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ झूम लो या रो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा।
Save the trees.
डोर से टूटी पतंग जैसी थी ये जिंदगानी मेरी, आज हूँ कल हो मेरा ना हो, हर दिन थी कहानी मेरी। एक बंधन नया पीछे से अब मुझको बुलाए, आने वाले कल की क्यों फिक्र मुझको सता जाए। एक ऐसी चुभन किस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने इसे छू लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा, खुशियाँ झूम लो या रो लो जरा, मर जाओ या जी लो जरा.
Go green, go healthy. Trees are our best friends. Save trees, save lives. Thank you so much, dear parents, for encouraging the little stars to perform the skit. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion.
తడిసే కొమ్మ చాటు పువ్వు తడిసే ఆకు చాటు పిండ తడిసే కొమ్మ చాటు పువ్వు తడిసే ఆకాశ గంగొచ్చింది అందాలు ముంచెత్తింది గోదారి పొంగొచ్చింది పొంగుల్ని ముడిపెట్టింది
Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff. Hey, ఆ గాజువాక కండక్టర్ సాంగ్ వేసుకోండ్రా.
సింపిరి చుట్టుదాన్ని సెవలి రకన సుట్టదాన్ని సేతి లక్కి పెట్టేదాన్ని ఉంగరాల మెట్టేదాన్ని నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైకు మీద రారు బాబా నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పలసరు బైకు మీద రారు బాబా కాలేజీ టైములోన కన్ను కొట్టి పిలిచినావు నేను రాను పో అంటే కళ్ళు ఎర్ర చేసినావు రో నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పిల్లబాగానే నేను రాను బాబా నేనటంటి దండాడదాన్ని కాదు బాబు పిల్లబాగానే నేను రాను బాబా పంచమావిడి తోట కాడ కళ్ళతోటి సైగ చేసి మల్లె పూలు చూపించి సెయ్యి పట్టిలా
Let's get it out. Show my talking, no, nacho. Yo, check it out, check it out, check it out. Get up, no, let's get it out. Show my talking, no, nacho. Let's go. Yeah.
Om namaste bolo baby, om namaste bolo, dil mein dash putte party time lo.
Om namaste bolo baba, om namaste bolo, neeto partner of the pretty crime alone.
Pillow, 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 na pillow lanti pillow, morning coffee ottava na meli chetulo.
Hey pillow, 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 ఏం కావాలో pillow, tutti frutti అవుతాని పెదాలలో.
Ulala, andala ATM la, anytime ముద్ది చేలా, నువ్వుంటే చాలా గిస్సు బ్యాంకులో.
ఇలా రబ్బారే గంటి అమ్లా, ముత్తాడే
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. Dear audience, without you tonight would not have been a magical one. You made everything wonderful and spontaneity. My heartfelt thanks to all. I express my deep attitude and gratitude to the management who, despite their numerous and rather tight schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. We are all inspired by your valued thoughts and begin presence. I also thank all the parents of the wards with their family members who encourage the students by their acknowledgements of applause. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an event of this magnitude cannot happen overnight. It requires meticulous planning and bird's eye of detail. We have been fortunate enough to have been hacked by a detailed and dedicated and motivated teachers and students. A big thank you for each one of the teaching and non-teaching staffs. On behalf of a Kidhood School Adagutta branch, I would like to congratulate all the participants for all attempting events today. Finally, I thank the Almighty for smooth and orderly conduct of this annual day celebrations. Special thanks to the chief guest for staying till last of this function and gracing this occasion. And I thank all the parents and all the family members who have gathered here to grace the occasion. And specially thanks to electronic and print media and police departments. And the special thanks to the decoration department and function hall community. Thank you. Thanks so much. Go safe to home, save trees. Jai Hind. I request everyone to stand for national anthem.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।